If you love Indian street food, you're going to drool over these two iconic chaat recipes, spicy tangy Muradabadi Dal Chaat and the ultimate comfort snack, Paneer Ragda Pattice. Let's get started. First up, Muradabadi Dal Chaat, a warm, comforting chaat from Uttar Pradesh that's packed with texture and flavor. Add soaked moong dal and water into a pressure cooker. Season with salt and turmeric powder. Pressure cook for 3 whistles till the dal is soft but not mushy. In a separate pan, heat ghee and fry some dried red chilies. This smoky tarka takes the dal to the next level. Now pour this over the dal and give it a good mix. Now comes the magic. Chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies, some grated beetroot, crushed papri, crispy save and a good squeeze of lemon. Finish it off with fresh mint leaves and a generous drizzle of coriander chutney. And there you go, Muradabadi Dal Chaat, served hot and soul satisfied. Next up is Mumbai street food Paneer Ragda Pattice. Let's start with the patties. In a bowl, mix boiled mashed potatoes, finely grated paneer, green chilies, coriander, red chili powder, turmeric and salt. Shape them into patties and pan roast till golden on both sides. For the ragra, cook soaked white peas with water and spices. Let it simmer and mash it slightly for that creamy texture. Meanwhile, boil water with tamarind, dates, sugar, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and salt. Blend it into a thick tangy tamarind chutney. Now for the green chutney, grind coriander, green chilies, ginger, garlic and salt. Super fresh and zingy. Now it's time to assemble. Place the patty on a plate, pour the hot ragra on top and load it up. Now top it with tamarind chutney, green chutney, chopped onions, tomatoes, sev bhujia, chaat masala and coriander. Here you go, 2 incredible chaat recipes, one warm and hearty, the other one tangy and crispy. Which one are you gonna try first? Do let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.